A dashcam can be the one device that saves you thousands after an accident, but only if you choose the right one. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best dash cams, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. I'll cover real-world video quality, features, reliability, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Vantrue N2X. Starting off at number 5, the Vantrue N2X is a powerful dual-channel dashcam built for drivers who want front and cabin monitoring in one compact system. It records 2.7K front footage and interior recording, uses Sony StarVis 2 sensors, includes HDR infrared night vision, built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, voice control, and supports 24/7 parking mode, making it especially appealing for rideshare drivers, commuters, and anyone who wants extra in-cabin security. Review highlights. What makes the N2X stand out is its versatility. For Uber, Lyft, taxi drivers, or families wanting cabin recording, this setup offers a major advantage over traditional front-only dash cams. Interior infrared night vision performs very well in low light conditions, while the front camera captures impressive detail during both day and night driving. Another major strength is reliability. Vantrue has built a strong reputation in the dash cam space, and the N2X feels refined in both hardware and software. Its buffered parking mode adds another layer of protection when the vehicle is unattended, helping capture incidents even while parked. Pros: dual front and cabin recording. StarVis 2 sensor with strong night vision. Excellent rideshare-friendly design. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS. Reliable 24/7 parking monitoring. Compact premium build quality. If you want strong dual camera coverage with excellent night performance, this is a great starting point. Number 4. VIOFO A329s. At number 4 is the VIOFO A329s, and this dashcam pushes into premium territory. It offers 4K 60fps front recording plus 2 carrier recording, dual StarVis 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6 app control, advanced parking protection, and support for up to 4 TB SSD storage, which is exceptional. This is built for drivers who want professional-level recording performance. Review highlights. One of the biggest reasons this model stands out is image quality. 4K at 60 frames per second gives smoother footage and better detail capture, especially when reading license plates or reviewing fast-moving scenes. The dual StarVis 2 sensors perform exceptionally well at night, and VIOFO's reputation for image tuning really shows here. Another standout is storage flexibility. Support for massive SSD storage makes this ideal for long-haul drivers, fleet users, or anyone recording large amounts of footage. It feels less like a basic consumer dashcam and more like enthusiast-grade gear. Pros: 4K 60fps front recording. Excellent dual StarVis 2 image quality. Premium rear camera performance. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Huge storage support up to 4 TB SSD. Advanced parking mode features. For premium front and rear protection, this is a serious contender. Number 3. Vantrue E1 Pro. Coming in at number 3 is the Vantrue E1 Pro, and this proves compact dashcams can still be incredibly powerful. This mini dashcam delivers 4K recording, StarVis 2 PlatePix HDR night vision, built-in 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and buffered parking mode, all in a remarkably small package. Review highlights. What makes this camera so impressive is how much performance Vantrue packed into a compact design. If you want something discreet that doesn't clutter your windshield, this is a huge advantage. Video clarity is excellent, especially for plate readability, which is one of the biggest priorities in real-world dashcam use. Night performance is another major highlight. The StarVis 2 sensor handles shadows, headlights, and difficult lighting far better than many compact competitors. For drivers who want premium recording without a large visible setup, this strikes a rare balance. Pros: compact stealth-friendly design. Sharp 4K video quality. Excellent plate capture performance. Strong StarVis 2 night recording. Built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and voice control. Premium features in a small package. If you want a compact dashcam without compromising performance, this is an outstanding pick. Number 2. Vantrue N5s. At number 2 we have the Vantrue N5s, and this is easily one of the most advanced protection systems on this list. This isn't just a dash cam, it's a full 4-channel 360-degree recording system with 2.7K front, multiple interior and rear channels, Starvis 2 sensors, dual GPS, voice control, Wi-Fi, and support up to 1 TB. This is built for drivers who want near total vehicle coverage. Review highlights. What immediately separates the N5s is coverage. Most dash cams record 1 or 2 angles. This records 4. That makes a major difference in accidents, parking incidents, rideshare situations, or security concerns where multiple angles matter. Night performance is excellent across channels, and the system's buffered parking mode makes it especially valuable for protecting a vehicle when parked. For people who prioritize maximum evidence capture, few setups rival this. Pros: full 4-channel 360-degree coverage. Excellent multi-angle protection. Strong Starvis 2 night vision. Advanced buffered parking mode. Great for rideshare and security-focused drivers. Premium feature-packed system. For maximum coverage, this is one of the strongest dash cams available. Number 1. REDTIGER F7N Touch. Taking the number 1 spot is the REDTIGER F7N Touch, and for overall value, features, and ease of use, it's incredibly hard to beat. This front and rear system delivers 4K recording, Starvis 2 sensor technology, 5G HZ Wi-Fi with fast downloads, voice control, built-in GPS, parking mode, a 3.18-inch touchscreen, and even includes a 128 GB card in the box, which adds immediate value. Review highlights. What makes the F7N Touch so impressive is balance. Some dash cams excel in raw image quality. Others focus on features. This one does both. Video quality is excellent during day and night driving, app performance is fast and user-friendly, and the touchscreen interface makes operation much easier than traditional menu-based systems. The included memory card also means you're ready to record right out of the box, something surprisingly few premium dash cams offer. It combines premium-level features with excellent usability and very strong overall value. That's what earns it the top spot. Pros: excellent 4K front and rear recording. Starvis 2 night vision performance. Fast 5G HZ Wi-Fi transfers. Easy-to-use touchscreen interface. Includes 128 GB memory card. Outstanding overall feature-to-value ratio. This is one of the most complete dash cam packages available right now. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing video quality, features, ease of use, parking protection, reliability, and overall value, the REDTIGER F7N Touch is the best overall dash cam on this list. It delivers premium 4K performance, excellent front and rear coverage, strong night vision, fast connectivity, and one of the best feature packages for the money. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.